Hi, I'm Tony's Fine Host at Christmas Tree Farm, and today we're going to set up our pyramid traps to monitor and scout for white pine weevil. So this is the pyramid trap. You can get them at greatlakesipm.com. I'll put the link down in the description. And, you know, it's called a pyramid trap just because it looks like a pyramid. So what happens is there's a lure. It kind of smells like eucalyptus, and we're going to use a re-rod, put it in there, put the lure in the trap above it, and the weevils climb up the pyramid and into this top. There is a hole. There's a hole in the center here that the bugs will come in, and then they get stuck inside the cap. Yeah, so they're inside the cap. You watch for the bugs in the cap, and once you know that you start seeing them in there, you know that they are active, and it's time to spray and control them because you don't want your trees looking like this when you're trying to sell them. So we're gonna throw in. I got 3 of them. We're gonna put them in, and yeah, we'll hopefully not have to see another video of me cutting out Christmas tree tops. So let's follow along. All right, we'll put this first one right in the middle between those, right where that stump is. We see 2 damaged trees. Oh, we're just gonna use a piece of re-rod. Just like that. We'll get the lure on there, move on to the next one. All right, so how do we decide where we're putting those things? You got to think about it that when those weevils overwintered, all those trees were still there. So they're in the ground underneath somewhere, some of the branches. I just picked kind of some random spots in this field, and we know they really like the Serbian, so I want to make sure I'm going to put one in the Serbian spruce, and just kind of where I'm seeing some damage left over. So we're just going to drive the stake in, zip tie these things up, and yeah, just watch for the presence of the weevils. All right, now let's get to the lure. Now, this stuff was stored in the barn, so hopefully it's not all frozen and everything, but the lure just says got a twisty tie on it. Just says keep out of reach of children, manufactured by Chemta. And yeah, let's see what's in here. And here there's contains 1 lure. Low release, do not open package until the time of use. Let's not get a bunch of trash on the farm. All right, so we're going to open it up. Like I said, it just smells like eucalyptus. So I think this is like a gel. And these things obviously kind of leak all over. yeah, we'll go out, set them up at their at the spots. Wish there was some better instructions on how to apply the lure. That would be helpful, but yeah, let's go. All right, so I'm kind of guessing that these things are the same. We're just going to kind of pour some on that. I think it's really the smell that's going to get them, so we're going to leave this thing up here. Going to loosen the cap up a bit. Like so. And same thing with this gel. Also has a fragrance to it. Put that on there like so. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll go on to the next one. All right, trap 2 set. And trap 3. All right, so the hope is weevils crawl from the ground, climb up, we see them, we know it's time to spray, we spray them, we kill them. The year that we did spray and we had a lot of damage in our old Serbian spruce field, it worked very well. The following year, it was like 100% control. Right? I don't know if I saw, you know, maybe 2 or 3 trees that were damaged compared to, you know, a lot. So it really works. Again, the pyramid traps can be found at Great Lakes IPM. I'll put the link down below. And yeah, hopefully you like the channel. Obviously we'll keep you updated. I think it's pretty early, right? It's late February, and you know, so it might be early for this, but this is an early pest, and I didn't even get to this last year. So this year we really got to focus on it. So you saw the damage, you see the damage. It's crazy. So handle it. All right, well, thanks for watching.